Hello everyone, welcome back to the AI Intuition Pro channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to guide you through using the Canvas Editor in Leonardo AI. Explore how to use the Leonardo AI Canvas Editor to fix image distortions, adjust scenes, insert or erase objects, change backgrounds, and so much more for both AI-generated and regular images. Log in through the link provided in the description to work alongside me. The free version of Leonardo AI provides enough features for you to comfortably follow along with my tutorial. Then, sign up by clicking right here and selecting Create Account. Once you've completed the sign-up process, you'll be directed to the Leonardo AI dashboard. There are a few ways to access the Canvas Editor. Option 1, click the Canvas Editor button here or simply scroll down and select it. Option 2, in the Community Images, choose an image, click the three dots and select Edit in Canvas. Option 3, in your personal feed, select an image, click the three dots and choose Edit in Canvas. Once you're in the editor, this area is where we'll make all the adjustments. This box right here is where we will make our edits. You can resize the box at the bottom. I'll set it to 1024 by 768 to start with, which has a 16:9 aspect ratio. Now, let me give you a quick overview of the tools we'll be using. But first, let's bring in an image. Click on Upload Image and you'll have three options. Upload from your computer, choose an image you've previously created, or pick something from the community. For this demo, I'll go with a community image. Scrolling through the community feed, I'll pick one that stands out. This one looks great, so I'll select it and add it to our canvas. Right now, it's zoomed in a little too much. To adjust the zoom, just click the minus button here to zoom out, or the plus button to zoom in. I'll keep zooming out until we can see the whole picture. Now I want to make sure the image fits perfectly inside the box for editing. I will use the Select tool over on the left. Click on the image and adjust its size until it's nicely inside the box. With the image in place, let's zoom in a bit and adjust the size until it touches the top of the box. Now, let me show you how to add elements to your image using AI. I will enlarge this image to fill the box and write the short command Add Similar. Click Generate. I'll choose this one. Now I clear the canvas. I will select a different community image. I choose this one. For instance, if I want to add small flowers here, I'll use the Draw Mask tool. This allows us to highlight the areas we want to change. I'll paint over the area where I want the flowers to appear, type Add Small Flowers in the prompt bar, and click Generate. And there we go. The AI has generated 4 different versions of the flowers, and you can choose which one you like best. You can compare the versions side by side to see which fits your image better. Personally, I think the second one looks great, so I'll click Accept. And now we have some small flowers added to our image. It's as simple as that. Another tool I want to show you is the Erase tool. This is useful if you want to remove parts of the image. When you click Erase, it gives you a brush to paint over the areas you want to get rid of. Up top, you can adjust the brush size and choose what you're erasing. Images, sketches, masks, or everything. Let's say I want to erase this ground here. I'll paint over it and it disappears. Now there's empty space where the grass was and I want to fill it with something new. I'll type 1 pot of flowers in the prompt bar and hit Generate. Just like before, I have 4 options and I'll go with this one. Next up is the Sketch tool, which is especially useful when combined with other canvas modes. and I'll show you how to switch modes in a moment. You can also add text by clicking the text option. This opens up a variety of formatting options, letting you change fonts, adjust the size with the slider on the right, and pick a color from the palette on the left. Click anywhere on the image to place the text and just start typing. For this example, I'll add the word dream house. Made a mistake? No worries. Use the undo button or Ctrl+Z to reverse the last change, or you can clear all edits by clicking Clear Canvas History. Once you're happy with your work, click the download arrow to save your image. Now, let's look at the Leonardo AI models. The model you're currently using will be shown here. There are a variety of models to choose from, each specialized for different tasks. Explore the models to find the one that best fits your editing needs. Simply pick the one that fits your project. I'm still going with Absolute Reality V1.6 for now. Moving on to canvas modes. Each mode is designed for specific types of edits. First is text to image, which lets you create a completely new image using a text prompt. Next is Inpaint, Outpaint, the tool that we have been using to modify parts of the image. The third mode is image to image, where the AI uses another image as a guide to make similar edits to your current image. Finally, there's sketch to image, which lets you sketch your idea, and the AI generates a complete image based on that drawing. Each mode offers a unique approach to image editing, enhancing flexibility in your creative process. I'll show you how these work, but first let's go over the settings. The Outpaint option fills any empty space in the box with relevant images. For example, this image originally looked like this, but after generating, it was filled to look like this. Inpaint strength determines how closely the AI follows the existing image when generating new content. A higher inpaint strength will ensure the AI adheres closely to the original style, while a lower setting allows for more creative variations. A higher strength keeps things more relevant, while a lower strength gives the AI more room for creativity. You can also control how many images are generated at once, adjust dimensions, and tweak the aspect ratio in the advanced settings. Additionally, the render density option controls pixel density, and guide scale dictates how closely the AI sticks to your prompt. Now, I'll show you the different canvas modes. Let's start with sketch to image. Head up here to canvas mode and select it. Now the AI is ready to follow the sketches we create. This mode is ideal for those who prefer to draw out their ideas before seeing them come to life. For example, if I want to add an eagle on the roof of the house, I'll click Sketch, adjust the brush size, and pick a color from the palette. You can also use the eyedropper tool to match a color from the image. I'll quickly draw a sketch of an eagle on the roof of the house. Then I'll type eagle in the prompt bar and click Generate. Let's see how it turns out. The AI has transformed my sketch into a realistic eagle. I like the first option the best, so I'll select it. And just like that, my simple sketch is now a nicely drawn eagle on the roof of the house in the image. Next, let's explore image to image. First, I'll clear the canvas history. Now, go to canvas mode and select image to image. Scroll down to Control Net and enable it. Control Net provides additional control over how the AI interprets and integrates your reference image. You have 4 options here: pose to image, edge to image, depth to image, and pattern to image. The Control Net weight decides how closely the new image matches the reference. If you want the final result to be nearly identical, leave the weight at 1. Let's try pose to image first. This option allows the AI to detect the pose in the uploaded image and retain it in the new one. Make sure your reference image has a clear pose for the best results. To prepare a suitable image for the pose to image feature, I'll upload an image from the community and resize it accordingly. Then I'll switch to canvas mode, select Inpaint, Outpaint to expand the image. I'll choose my preferred model, which is still Absolute Reality 5 1.6 to extend the image. I'll type Add Similar and click Generate. I'll select the first image. Currently, you can see that the female police officer is facing left with her arms crossed in front of her chest. We'll use this image to try the pose to image feature. Switch to canvas mode and select image to image. Choosing the suitable mode is up to you. For ControlNet, select pose to image. Make sure the weight is set to 1. Add Create a Lawyer and click Generate. The AI has recognized this pose and applied it to our new image. Here are the results. Comparing the two images, you can see that the AI accurately maintained the original pose in the new generation. And I prefer the first one, so I'll select it. Let's delete this image and try Edge to Image in ControlNet. This option preserves the edges of the reference image in the new one. Edge preservation is great for maintaining structural details. Again, I'll set the weight to 1 and upload another image from the community. After resizing it to fit, I'll prompt the AI to create a dancer. The results are in, and I'll go with the first option. When we place the images side by side, you can see that the AI kept the same edges in the new image. This mode is especially useful when you want to maintain the outlines and structure of your original image while applying new elements. The pattern to image section will be discussed in a different part, so I will conclude today's presentation with depth to image in ControlNet. This option detects the depth of the elements in the reference image and maintains them in the new one. Using depth information helps in creating more realistic and spatially coherent images. I'll upload an image from my computer, resize it, and you can see the depth in the image. The baby seals up front are clear, while those in the background are blurry. I'll type a crowd of androids and click Generate. The results are ready, and I'll go with this one. Comparing the two images, you can see that the AI has accurately preserved the depth with clear elements in the foreground and blurred ones in the back. This feature is perfect for adding depth and dimension to your images, making them more dynamic and visually engaging. If you haven't signed up for a Leonardo AI account yet, I've included a link in the description below. The free version of Leonardo AI offers sufficient features for you to easily follow along with my tutorial. Thank you for watching. I hope this tutorial helped you understand how to use the Canvas editor and the various tools and modes available in Leonardo AI. Be sure to like and comment. And if you're interested in more, click on the next video. Stay tuned for more tutorials and tips to enhance your AI image editing skills.